Hi you guys, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. So, I'm excited for today's video. It's been a hot minute. I always seem to say that. I need to stop saying that. But we are going to be filming with the new Haus Laboratories, like rebranded products. This is the brand by Lady Gaga, and I picked up 3 of the pigments, and then four of the cream pigments, and then this is the lip oil. So I was most excited about what are these exactly called? High power pigment paint. I was mostly excited about these and the whole rebrand relaunch thing. She released bronzers, highlighters, brow products, and lip liners, and then these cream pigment paints. And I've really been enjoying doing graphic liners. I love the cream shadows by About Face. Those are my favorite. So if you're excited about today's video, please go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and subscribe in one of these corners. And let's get started, guys. Okay, so here are all the colors of the high power pigment paints. I'm just going to get these all out of the boxes real quick, and then we'll go from there. Okay, so here's what they look like. They're just little bitty tubes. They're really cute packaging. I love the packaging on this. I'm really thinking about doing a fun, I want to use all these colors if I can. I'm thinking about doing a fun graphic liner look today using those. So let me just pin up my bangs. I don't know if I want to use the pink one, but I feel like the green and the yellow was my shirt. This is just a Cookie Monster shirt. So I'm thinking the green and the yellow will look pretty good with my shirt, and of course the white. I am going to go ahead and swatch these just so that way we can kind of get a look at them. And the pink one is the shimmer formula. The other ones I got are the matte formula. I didn't realize the pink one was the shimmer formula whenever I purchased it. I was aiming to get all mattes, but I think I just didn't realize that that was what that one was. So kind of here's what they look like before I blend them out. So there's the pink. That's the tealy green. The yellow. And the white. So I'm thinking I want to do actual liner look, and then use the white to accent the colors. So what I've been doing lately is on my Mickey mirror on the ears, I've been putting any type of cream pigment paint. Kind of his ears are my little paint palette. So I got the paint on his ears. Let me zoom you guys in. I'm forgetting about that. Okay, I think I'm going to go in with the greenish color first. Okay, I turned down my lighting just a little bit to allow y'all to kind of see what I'm doing. Okay, so I just laid down the initial line. And then I'm going to go in with another brush. And I'm going to go in with the yellow. Okay, so that's what it's looking like so far. I think it looks pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and do the other side and I will be right back. Okay, so here is what the liner looks on the other side and this side. I know like the wings are like completely off. Maybe I'll try to fix that. But overall, I think it's looking pretty good. I'm going to go in with some white now and add some more details to it. I just added some little dots in my inner corner and some little dots out here to connect the wing. I think it turned out really pretty good. I'm gonna put on a little bit of mascara and it'll be a day. Okay, so I got some mascara on, put on a little highlighter. I think the look turned out really good. And I really feel like these pigment paints are going to be really nice. The pigmentation was really nice. They were very opaque. And I did do 2 layers of the yellow line, but the green line I only had to do 1. The white is really nice. I really like it. I am going to go in with the lip oil really quick just to kind of try it out. It's very nice. It's a little bit of a thicker, it's more of like the glossy oil trend. It's not thinner. I prefer my lip oils to be a tad thinner, to be more of a true oil. But this one's nice. I do wish it did have a scent. It doesn't have a scent. I'm all about my scented lip products. But anyways, that is going to be my like thoughts on these pigment paints. I feel like it went on really easily. I really can't complain. They were, like I said, they were pigmented, and I really love how my look turned out. Let me know if you guys have tried out anything from the new Haus Labs rebrand, any of the new products. And don't forget to hit that thumbs up before you leave, and y'all are absolutely stunning. Bye guys, thanks for watching.